Who's ready to make some magical slime? Welcome back, fellow explorers of the squishy and stretchy. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the whimsical world of do-it-yourself slime. Fear not, it's as simple as pie and twice as fun. All we need are a handful of everyday ingredients: your favorite glue, some vibrant food coloring, and a secret ingredient we call the activator. Now, prepare to have some slimy fun. First up, we have our classic glue-based slime. This traditional recipe is a hit with slime lovers of all ages, and it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Pour your favorite glue into a mixing bowl. Any glue will do, but we love using clear glue for a super shiny finish. Step 2. Add a few drops of food coloring. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Go for one color or mix a few to create your own custom hue. Remember, the more drops you add, the darker your slime will be. Step 3. It's time to activate. Add your slime activator to the mixture and stir. Watch as the magic unfolds and your liquid ingredients transform into a stretchy, squishy ball of fun. Give it a good mix until everything is fully incorporated, and voila! And there you have it, a perfect batch of colorful slime. Now, wasn't that a blast? But why stop there? Let's take our slime making to the next level with some magical variations. Let's start our magical journey with glitter slime. It's as easy as adding a handful of glitter to your classic slime mix. Just sprinkle it in, mix it up, and behold the sparkling masterpiece you've created. Next on our list is fluffy slime. This one is a fan favorite. To make this, we'll add some shaving cream to our slime mix. The shaving cream gives the slime a fluffy, cloud-like texture that's oh so satisfying to squish and stretch. Once you've mixed in your shaving cream, you'll have a batch of fluffy, puffy slime that's just begging to be played with. But we're not done yet. Our next variation is something truly out of this world: glow-in-the-dark slime. To make this, we'll need to add a special ingredient to our slime mix: glow-in-the-dark paint. Just a few drops of this magical paint will transform your regular slime into a glowing neon masterpiece. Just imagine the fun you could have playing with this slime in the dark. And there you have it, folks. 3 magical variations on the classic slime recipe: glitter, fluffy, and glow in the dark. Each one is unique with its own special properties and textures. And the best part, they're all made with the same basic ingredients as your classic slime. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get creative. Try out these variations or come up with your own. Maybe you'll create a new type of slime that's never been seen before. The possibilities are endless. With just a few tweaks and additions, you can create a whole universe of slime wonders. So what are you waiting for? Grab your ingredients and let your imagination run wild with these fun and easy slime recipes. There's a whole world of squishy, stretchy fun right at your fingertips, just waiting to be explored. Whether you're a fan of the classic glue-based slime or you're looking to dazzle with glittery glow-in-the-dark variations, there is a slime recipe just for you. Creating your own slime is more than just a fun activity. It's a chance to learn, experiment, and discover. Every drop of color, every sprinkle of glitter, every squish and stretch of your homemade slime is a testament to your creativity and curiosity. Remember, there are no mistakes in the world of slime, only happy little accidents that lead to exciting new creations. So don't be afraid to mix, match, and experiment with different ingredients. Who knows, you might just stumble upon your very own signature slime. And when you do make your own magical slime masterpiece, we would love to see it. Share your creations with us and join our community of slime enthusiasts. Your slime could inspire others and bring a pop of color and a dash of magic to someone else's day. Thanks for joining us on this slime-tastic adventure. We can't wait to see what you'll create. Until next time, happy sliming.